Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia Lee. I'm going to show you today Laura Lee's Party Animal palette that I got from boxycharm. So I'm going to show you this look right here. Please like, subscribe, and share, guys. I'm so sorry, y'all. I lost the footage to me applying the base coat and the purple. Just had a long week. iPhone got broken and the bunch, sis. So let's get into it. So you're gonna take your purple and you're gonna keep swirling, and then you're gonna dip back into your Karaoke and Hangover and just dab it in your crease line to make it darker. See, and we only want it at the edge. We're not trying to pull it over here. We just want the outer ends of our eyes to be darker. Next, what we're gonna do is we are gonna go get our concealer and we're gonna cut our crease. So just take the concealer and pull it. That was pretty good. And then get a brush, a concealer brush, any brush that you feel comfortable with, and you're just gonna outline it. Cut it in that crease. Right in that crease, guys. And we're just gonna stop it like 3/4 of the way. Then we're gonna go back in with our palette. I love this palette. It is amazing. Then we're gonna get a flat brush. I don't know what number it is. Again, I'm not really good with brushes, so we're gonna get our flat brush. We're gonna dip into Karaoke. And we're gonna dab it onto the outer corners right there, okay? So and don't pass where your concealer is, and keep patting. The only thing about this blue I don't like, it's like, it's just sitting on top of my eye, and it's not like being absorbed. So it's like you have to keep applying it to get the blue, the bright blue that we want. There. I don't know how to describe this color and the way it's reacting to my eye. It's like, can you see that? It's like separating. I don't know what's going on, but I don't like that. So I'm just gonna apply some more blue to try to cover it up. I don't know if when it dries, it turns crusty, I guess. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Laura Lee, for calling your Karaoke blue crusty, but it looks kind of crusty right now. Next, we're gonna go in with our damage control on a different brush. This one's by Sephora and it is a flat brush. Dip into your damage control. And we're gonna place damage control right beside Karaoke. I love damage control. I love the way it just like applies. It's perfect. Like, you only need one coat. You don't need any more. You don't need to go back in to damage control, because guess what? It has already controlled all the damage on your face. It's amazing. Okay. Oh yeah. And just let's keep pushing it in. And try to make it as neat as possible. sometimes we do mess up, but it's okay. Once you get your lashes on, they ain't really gonna see. And nobody's gonna get that close to your face, you know, unless you guys are making out. So I'm gonna take my little tiny brush by Morphe. I think it's like a corner brush. And I'm gonna dip into It's a Party. And I'm gonna put It's a Party right here in my inner corner of my eye. And I love this one too. It's amazing and it's beautiful. And I love that the way that It's a Party blends with damage control. It's amazing. Then I'm gonna drag it down there. And I think I should go back in with my damage control and fix all the missing areas. It's a party again, because it's always a party at my house. If anybody wants to come over. And I could do makeup on you and put you on my YouTube channel. And that would be such a party. Boop. And just drag it up. And then we can go back in with our fluffy Morphe brush and just dip into Hangover and Karaoke again. And uh-oh, that was too much. Remember, always knock your brush first. And then just blend it out on your outer edge. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get our trusty baby wipe and we're gonna wipe up till we touch our eyebrow. See? If you make a mistake, get your fluffy brush again and just tap into your Hangover and drag it in. And then just clean that side up. And then we're gonna take another brush and we're gonna go in with some of our foundation. And we're just gonna put it right here in our brow bone. Then for our under eye, take our small Morphe brush and we're gonna dip into It's a Party and we're gonna drag It's a Party all along our waterline. Oh, I hate that feeling. See? Then we're going to go back in with damage control and we're gonna place it right there in the center. Then we're gonna go back with our Karaoke. We're gonna drag that out on the outer corner and we're gonna pop in some Hangover underneath it. And just pull it up. Then we're gonna get our pencil or our brush that is a pencil. I don't know what this is called, your angle brush. We're gonna get our angle brush next and we are going to dip it into our eyeliner. And this is the eyeliner I'm using. I don't know if you could see that. And we're gonna dip it in and we're gonna drag it along our lines. on the bottom. On the top, we're just gonna do like this. And pull it up to create a wing. And we don't really want a lot because I'm not trying to have a really thick liner. And then on the bottom, we just wanna pull it. And there, you got it. So guys, we are gonna go in with our Lifted Sweatproof Mascara by Tarte, and I got this one in the boxycharm box for the August month. And if you haven't watched my video on that review, please go check it out after you finish watching this video. I also got an eyeliner by Bang Beauty, and I didn't use it in this video because it was brown and I was going for more of a darker look. And the mascara was also brown. That was weird. But I just put on my lashes and I was okay. And guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Okay, everybody, what can I say about this palette? It was okay. The colors came out pretty well, but if you do like this, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next from me. I am here. I'm available. I don't know what to do next. I'm just winging it every day. So, hope you like my purple party animal makeup.
Tell me that I love my life. I love it. Start on comes no way. Party when we go, hey, yo. Get bands, spin it all over me. Baby, can you focus? Hands in the soap. How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone.